This is Adele. Remember, he came in to look at these beautiful rugs of his that we've washed. We're going to be doing some specialized fringe detail. Here, we're going to redo these fringes and make them look brand new. So, Adele, what's your thoughts on these rugs so far?
Absolutely great. I cannot imagine that are the same rugs that I dropped here few days ago. Absolutely. I can see the colors. Amazing.
So we're going to fix these rugs for him, the fringe. We're going to take them and deliver them, and he'll be a customer for life. This is what we do at Oriental Rug Care.
So